I've always liked the idea of a curved shower rod. It actually moves the shower curtain out about 6 inches, giving me a lot more shoulder room. I also like the idea of a double rod. I can use the inside for a waterproof liner, the outside for a decorative curtain, or put the shower curtain inside and put towels on the outside. But what I especially like about this unit is that it installs with no hardware. Step 1. Measure the distance between the two end walls. Step 2. Extend the telescoping shower rod until it's approximately the same length as the distance between the two walls. Lock the telescoping rod in place using the Allen wrench provided. Set the unit in position and twist the two rods counterclockwise. This extends the ends, pushing them into firm contact with the walls and holding the bar firmly in place. Extra shoulder room and hardware-free installation. Pretty nice.